here's the thing. A lot of people misunderstand who Google's customers are the people that sit down and type into the Google search engine what they're looking for. The whole thing that makes Google valuable as a tool or valuable as a company is the fact that people view it as a reputable and valuable resource. So what Google wants more than anything is if somebody's searching for something, if somebody's searching for you pick the item, pick the keyword, pick the key phrase. What Google's number one priority is to put at the very top of those search results the most valuable content, the content that the person that's visiting Google and searching for that is going to feel answered their question, gave them the information they were looking for, educated them about something they wanted to know more about. That's Google's number one priority, to make sure that they're elevating websites that give the searcher the information that they're looking for. So many times in the past, what companies would do is they would write content that is specifically targeting a perfect keyword, but it's not very informative. It's written in such a way that it's got all the positive SEO elements to it. It's got keywords, it's got images that are properly optimized, all those different things. But when somebody actually goes to that website and reads what's on the website, they end up coming away not that informed. It was essentially a page that was written to get good SEO results. What Google's saying now is we're actually going to use artificial intelligence to read the page, and we're going to determine whether the page is actually informative, educational, whatever the case may be, versus just written in such a way that it's chock full of SEO, but it's really not that informative. So what they're saying, it's not necessarily like they're essentially completely in line with what their overall mission is to provide you the most valuable results. They now just have technology in the form of artificial intelligence that's allows their bots, if you will, to read millions and millions and millions of websites and determine what is valuable information and what is not valuable information, where that would have been impossible to do with humans. They now have the ability to do that with bots and with artificial intelligence, where they couldn't do that before. So Tim actually said, why would they penalize someone to use it, right? They're not going to penalize somebody to use it, to utilize all those proper SEO things, as long as there's a, the old saying, if you're old like I am, you remember the old Wendy's commercial, where's the beef? A lot of pages are really thin on actual, where's the beef? It's like they're properly SEO'd, but they're really not that informative. They're really not written for humans. They're written for the Google algorithm. Google's figuring that out. So make sure, and that you could go back to your old content and actually beef that up and actually improve that. And that might be maybe one of the easiest ways to get started on doing things, is to make sure there's enough content and enough beef there, if you will, that this content would be beneficial to a human. If it doesn't really read well and there's no real meat and potatoes there, you may want to consider updating it.